In this month's release, we have now added Canvas watermarks to the blank canvas. So when new users enter the product, they will understand what steps to take first. Here you'll see 3 of our top most popular data sources, as well as a new sample data set that we've included directly into desktop. When users click on Try a Sample Data Set, they will be presented with 2 options. They can take our tutorial online, which will launch another window with our documentation and follow along, or they can simply load the data in and experiment on their own. If they click Load Data, it'll take them to our navigator, which is the same experience if they had clicked on their own data and loaded it in. Here they can preview the data and load into desktop. We've also added an animation to make it more obvious that the Fields pane is where your data will live after data is loaded in. And as a next step, new users will understand that they can build visuals now that they have data by selecting or dragging from the Fields pane onto the report canvas.